Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be adding on to a zodiac slime. I knocked something over. A zodiac slime series. Today I'm using Slimatory white glue because, well, that's what I put on my planning. It's going to be a white glue slime, and it's going to be yellow, pink, and blue. The bacon with milk. Stop dripping! Now I got it all over my table. Also, don't put glue in drawers unless you can stand it up. I learned that the hard way. Oopsie. Alright, next we got some Pro Slime Activator, also from Slimatory. Alright, now we're going to mix it all up. Well, today we are doing Virgo because, I asked my dad 1, 2, or 3 because I couldn't decide. And he said 3, and that was the third option. Probably shouldn't put that in my hand yet. Thank you. Yes, thank you. A lot. Yep, that's good. Thank you. I'm pretty bad at that. Because I'm like, oh, looks good. It's not good. Just gotta let myself know that. That's why my things are covered with old, glues and slimes on them. Because I do this. Another ball! I'm going bonsai cheese. You should try it. It's fun. I also have a fairy garden. Today is hailing. Comment down below if it was hailing for you too. Because I just started to hail, downpour hailing here in Milwaukee. Oopsie, I moved my table. Let's try this again. Let's add some more activator. You know, you think, this is going to go great because it's from a professional brand, and then it doesn't go good at all? That's what happens to me every single day. This is me trying to make a quick video, and this is what happens. It's just the universe doesn't like me anytime. Hope you guys have a good 4th of July. I'm going to go down and party down by a lake for 4th of July. On the 3rd, though. And then I'm going to have friends on the 4th, but who cares if you're going to a friend and then celebrating at your house on the 3rd? It's going to be busy probably, but I'm just going to go in the water the whole time. There's probably going to be boats, so I'm just going to go right in front of them and try to get hit. Rock and roll, don't do that. And I probably won't either. I'm going to be with my little cousin, my friend. My friend is coming to the party, and then I'm going to go to a different friend's house. It's weird. I'm weird. Alright. This should be good enough for now. There we go. Aggressive is the best way. I spent 3 hours, I'm pretty sure, picking out foam ball beads from a slime, because that's how much I have to do in my day. Just pick out foam beads from a slime by using my leg, and now my leg is red and my leg hurts. Yeah, that's what I do on my Thursdays. And I'm washing the table after this. Alright, next, I'm not using lotion because this is nice already. Alright. So we have pink, blue, and yellow. And then we got pink, blue, and yellow. And then clear. Now you aggressively rip it into 3 parts. You put pastels. These are not pastels. I feel like I'm doing old slime or toy slime today. Should I break out the glitters instead of my normal glitters? Just, you know, do an old one. Actually, that wouldn't be possible because, wait, no, it would. I just don't have a yellow or pink glitter, so we wouldn't be doing any glitter. But who plays with the slime with no glitter? I don't know why I'm doing a pastel, because if I have a best friend that's Virgo, and she's like calm, kind, and you know, so I want to do a calm, kind slime for my, I'm not calm and kind. You can clearly tell by my sign too that I'm not calm or kind. I mean, I'm kind-ish. That's not pastel. Is yellow, can yellow be pastel? That's something I gotta think about. I don't want to get slime on my notebook of ideas. I have a notebook of ideas because I can't like just come up with them. I gotta see them in my brain. Look up at Google. I only look up ideas on Google, but then I make them my own. Like for these, I was looking up like the zodiac sign and then what the slimes would be. And I like kind of just, so I would like make tallies of which is which color and how many of these colors there are. And these colors won, clearly, because otherwise they wouldn't be here with us today. I'm not doing much glitter anymore because I'm scared what I got glitter in my teeth. If you look at me on Instagram, let's_ghosts. If you do that, you might see I accidentally wasted a whole bottle of glitter on a slime. I was going to pour a little bit on it. The whole thing went everywhere on the slime. It looked super cool because it was like a waterfall down one side, but it was my favorite glitter. And it's expensive glitter. So that wasn't cool. That just shows how weird I am sometimes. You get some beads. You get some beads. This is just from my newly approved slime drawer. I had glue in here, and now those are covered with glue. Me and my dad did a slime challenge, and we should have posted it. He won, ? And it was all because I complained too much. I guess I should stop complaining. That teaches me a lesson. I got negative 50 points for complaining. At least that's what my stepmother said. And not done. Oh yeah, you have to come see my drawer of beautifulness. So we can do their sign, which is the hardest, I think, to make. Theirs is, but, you know, my bestie said I stole her, the M, because she has an M too. And I'm like, I didn't steal anything. We just both have M's. So, here's my attempt to make your M. This goes out to you, best friend. This is not going to be light anymore because Wait, can I take this off still? I want to spare it. Nope, we're taking it off. No! Alright, yep, we're taking it off and we're making it white. I want it to be white slime, so. Back to the drawer. Alright. I'm not squishing it on here. You're going to have to go check out my channel because I can't squish it on here, or I'm never going to be able to post again on my Chan fam for my Let's Scale. I have a lot of followers. I can't disappoint them, and I have like none of you guys who watch my videos, so let's just go for this instead. But I still enjoy making videos for you guys, so thanks for watching. Bye.